Henry asks, is it wrong to write emails, then input them into ChatGPT to optimize? I feel guilty doing it. Doesn't feel like the real me. Hope that makes sense. Guess it doesn't matter at the end of the day. Is it wrong? Is it ethically wrong? I wouldn't say so. Like, ChatGPT is AI. So like, this is what you're describing is the way of the future copywriter. This is the new copywriter, is leveraging AI. People are so scared of AI, like, it's gonna take out copywriters, it's gonna take out everyone. It's like, no, it's not. It's a tool to help you get things done quicker. So if you learn how to use the tool, you're gonna get things done quicker, right? People were saying the same thing. Anybody who's like a millennial or older watching this, which probably isn't a lot of you, but like me, I was born in the 90s. So like, I remember when Y2K was the biggest scary thing. Oh my goodness, the year 1999, when it turns to 2000, right on January 1st at midnight, like the whole world's gonna shut down. The whole power grid's gonna go, like the internet, right? And we thought the internet was gonna blow up and destroy the world and all these crazy weird things with technology. It's like, no, it didn't. You know what happened when the internet came on the scene? The guys who used to write like newspaper ads and magazine ads and like brochures, the copywriters who did that, who made good money doing that, all of a sudden they can go and be like, oh, this internet thing, like, oh, this is pretty cool. I can put an ad online on this Google thing. Oh, well, what's going to happen when I do that? Right. These guys who were used to sending ads to 5,000 people in a newspaper who maybe made $500 off that ad, all of a sudden they could put an ad in Google, Facebook, Instagram, and instead of talking to 5,000 people, send it to 5 million. Well, guess what happened to the copywriters who learned the new technology? They made 10 times more, right? All of a sudden you could do an email rather than just direct mail to a few thousand people and like really hard to manage and confusing. And you had to write these things by hand and literally mail them. Now you can just like start an email list and rip out emails to 500,000 people and make 10 times the money. The same thing's happening now. We're at a crossover, a technological jump, where people thought the internet was going to crush businesses and destroy them. No, it didn't. It just made the whole world function easier and businesses operate better and quicker and faster, more efficient. And the people who learned the technology first made the most money. The .com boom. How about this? We're in the AI boom right now. So if you actually learn copy and then learn AI as the multiplier, you're gonna get it right, and you're gonna make lots of money. So people right now are confused because they see all these gurus saying, learn AI and make millions of dollars. It's like, no, that's not how it works. AI is not the main thing with copywriting on the back burner. Copywriting is the main thing, and AI is the multiplier. So you are doing it the right way. You should be, don't just say, hey, AI, write me some copy, ChatGPT, click, and then you try to think that you're a copywriter. That's not how it works. You're gonna get taken out. Say, that's who's gonna get taken out. The people who don't understand AI and try to just use AI and don't learn direct response copy and consumer psychology and copywriting. You're doing it right. Write the draft. Learn the copy principles. Learn consumer psychology. Learn direct response. Learn how to write copy from scratch without any technology, right? That's how you know if you actually know this stuff. If you could just take out a pen and paper, there's no more internet, and you can still sell Bob's construction company down the road or whatever, or Sally's nail salon, right? If you could get them sales. So write the first draft, a human draft, okay? Edit that first draft as a human editing process. Write and edit. Step 1 and 2, that's you, the copywriter. Step 3, this is the new 2025 AI copywriter. This is the new era. Step 3 is go to ChatGPT, go to Grok, go to a custom GPT, Story AI. I have my own, hint, hint, in the academy. You get it for free, $196 chat GPT, based on all hundreds of coaching calls, hundreds of copy critiques, my entire course, my 6 years of experience, generating over $675,000 in profit as a copywriter. Check that out, link above, right? Third step, write it, edit it, and then send it into ChatGPT, ideally a custom GPT trained as a copywriter. And then don't just say this, don't just say rewrite it, make it better, and then take whatever it gives you and plug it in. Wrong move, it's gonna be screwed up. What you wanna do is say, okay, make sure you're using a custom GPT, not just ChatGPT, and then get it to give you line by line feedback and tell you why it needs to be better and what needs to be fixed in your copy, right? When GPTs are trained on these books and all these things. They're still not going to get it perfectly. So you need to assess if it's good information back to you, which you will only know by reading the books. But get it to give you line by line feedback. And then you manually make the edits to your copy. This is the way that you're going to make sure that you aren't relying too heavily on AI, so you don't actually know this stuff. But this way you can actually utilize AI to get you to write better copy, to speed up the process, and to actually train you as a copywriter, right? Third part, so write the draft human, edit the draft as a human, and get the AI to give you line by line feedback on your copy, telling you how to improve it. And then you manually take that feedback and update your copy manually yourself. That's how you're going to crush it and learn copywriting AI that gets more done quick, makes more money right now in this year. Like, that's how you're going to win. This is how you leverage AI. Okay,